Hey YouTube fam, Eco Clean Queen here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about packing and unpacking. I did property management for a long time. People would come to the spaces and take out their suitcases and put them right on the bed, because if there wasn't a luggage rack, the next option was the bed. And I'm here to tell you that is not the right way to do it, my friend. I will teach you how to do it so you won't mess up the bed and you'll keep your suitcase super clean. After this intro, follow me along and you may learn something. Alright, so we've already been here in Guatemala for a month, and I'll show you where we've been storing our luggage. So this is our big kahuna. This is my carry-on. This is my husband's carry-on. And this is our second big kahuna. Alright, so I did clean these when we arrived, but it's already been a month since we've been here. These have been tucked away, so they're quite filthy with dust. So I'm going to clean them and put them on the bed. Hopefully you have this kind that is this type of material. They're a lot easier to clean than cloth, but just the same, you want to wipe them off before you put it on the bed. Hang on. So at the end of this bed here, we have this type of material. This is probably put on here due to people putting their suitcases on the bed and ruining the bedspread. However, I also don't want to ruin this, so I always bring my canga. In Portuguese it's called canga, in English it's called sarong. If you have one in your backpack, which I highly recommend you get if you're traveling, because I use it for so many things, just put it on the end of the bed so that you can put the suitcases on top of it. And this is super easy to wash by hand in the sink. If you want to know how to wash things in the sink, just check out my last video. I will also put it in the description box below. So first, grab a rag. All right, grab some Castile soap, a container to spray. Alright, so I'm going to start with the big kahuna because most of the stuff that I'm not going to use, I'm going to go ahead and put it in here. What I'm going to use in the next couple of days, I'll put it on my carry-on and my backpack. Alright, to start cleaning the suitcase, just go ahead and spray and put about that much on my rag. And I'm just going to start from the top and get all the handles. You can also lift this up. Now this part is dirty. So these wheels get dirty too. Alright, so then I'm going to open the suitcase onto the bed. Inside the suitcase gets dirty, so just do a quick wipe. Okay, and then you can also do this side. All right, now this is where I keep all of my clothes. So this is my wardrobe and I use packing cubes. They are amazing. I highly recommend them if you're going on a trip. In this packing cube, I have my socks, my underwear, my beanie, my gloves, my scarves, my socks. Did I say socks? Anyway, all those little things I have in this one pack. So I have to think, okay, I'm going to leave in 2 days. So what do I need out of this pack that will take me to the next couple of days? So I probably need a couple of pairs of underwear, a couple pairs of socks, and my gloves and my beanie probably, because the ride to the next town, it might be chilly. They might put the AC on blast. So I want to have those in my backpack. All right, so my next packing cube is right here. These are all my shirts, my long sleeve, my sweaters, all of the upper part of myself, it goes in here. So what do I need for the next couple of days? So probably 2 t-shirts and 1 sweater. So packing cube number 3 is all of my dresses and skirts and my robe. All of that goes in this one. So for the next couple of days, it really depends on the weather. Right now it's rainy and chilly, so I am not going to use anything in this pack. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in my suitcase. All right, so packing cube number 4. These are all my shorts, leggings, jeans, pants, things that I might need for the next couple of days. So I'm going to grab a pair of jeans and a pair of leggings. All right, there's nothing more to see in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and close it and be done. All right, so like I said, I'm going to need my jeans and a pair of leggings and pack this cube. And then here I won't need my dresses. And then here I'll need a t-shirt. I like my vest and a sweater. Go ahead and pack it. And then here I'll need some underwear. I know that one is out on the line that I washed by hand. My socks, my beanie. I probably need a sports bra. I don't need my swimsuits. Did I mention swimsuits before? I think I forgot that one. Here's another pair of socks. And I'm wearing my other bra. We're good on that. All right, so I have my clothes separated for the next couple of days, and these are my packing cubes inside the suitcase. So the next thing is just going from top to bottom, left to right, just like you would clean. You're gonna go through and make sure that you're not forgetting anything in the room. You also wanna look under the bed or in between the couch, because we have a long journey ahead. We won't be coming back. My backpack, my carry-on, and my check-in suitcase. So this has been my life for the last 5 months. Hey, so that concludes this video. I hope this was helpful for you to pack your own suitcase. Just make sure you clean that suitcase before you throw it on the bed. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. You can also hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell too, so you can be notified of any other upcoming videos. I love making cleaning videos. This is my thing. All right, take care. Thanks, bye-bye.